Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be driving my Tesla Model 3 using hardware 3 running FSD 12.6.4, and I shouldn't expect to see any problems today. It's a foggy morning. I never really drive FSD in heavy fog, so it is not that foggy on camera, but there is a little fog or something. Thank you guys all for the love and support you guys are showing on all the videos. I read all the comments, so it's really cool to hear your suggestions, what you guys think and what you guys want to see. So yeah, like the video if you guys enjoy. Let's try getting this video to 50 likes. Comment down below what you guys think and what you guys want to see. The car comes to a complete stop very smoothly. FSD does best here. If you guys watch the downtown videos, you could see that FSD was not doing too well. But on streets like this and open roads like this, it's able to perform even better than downtown. And it accelerates really smoothly from a stop there when the light turns green. And it's just flowing with traffic, which is really nice. It's keeping a really good follow distance from the Civic in front of us. And it's staying very centered. There's another Tesla right there, which is really cool. What do you guys think of the new Model Y design? I feel like some people hate it. I personally like the older one a lot better. I think the older one looks really nice, even though it's just, copy and paste of the Model 3. I think the front light bar of the Model Y just looked kind of weird. Like, I don't know. Oh, we have both the Model Ys here. This is the new one over there and the old one. I don't know why, even though the old one's just a copy and paste Model 3. I don't know, I prefer that one over the light bars. But the car came to a really, really smooth stop. No complaints. My wipers are a little worn out, so they're not wiping as good. And I've noticed, usually like with my gas cars, like I'm able to buy, wipers from Walmart and buy like, some super cheap wipers from like Canadian Tire or Walmart, and they like fit on my gas cars. But I tried doing that with this car, and the wipers don't fit. It's like it needs some really like low clearance wipers to be able to go under the hood like in this car. So let me know if you guys have a Tesla, and where do you guys buy your wipers? I might have to buy it from the Tesla app or something, because I don't really know where you buy these kinds of wipers for this kind of car. Because like the wipers I bought from Walmart didn't really fit. So I just wonder what you guys, where do you guys buy your wipers? Maybe they do exist and I'm just dumb. But it switched lanes there and came to a nice stop behind the Civic. Gets to the intersection very well. It just knows where the lanes are. And even without the lines, it just knows where to be. So if you guys are ever, in a rush in the morning, or you guys don't want to be driving in the morning, you guys want to, relax a bit before work or before whatever you need to drive to, FSD could really help make your drive less stressful, and just make you feel like, you can just get yourself together before whatever you need to do in the morning. And now we're going to be getting into the on-ramp for the highway. And it did that very well. And now we're doing the curve, staying centered, keeping a good distance from the car in front of us. I think now you guys can kind of see the fog that I was talking about. And it's coming around. We're in chill mode today. I'm not doing no standard, no hurry. Just gonna relax today. And it's gonna get up to speed. And we're gonna be merging, and it does that really nicely. And now we're on the highway going going the speed limit. And no complaints with that highway entry. That was really nice. We're going to be getting over to the right lane here. Checks if it's clear. It's clear. Now we're in the right lane. And that was really nice. I don't know if you guys see, but there's so many Teslas out here. There's a Model Y, a Model 3. If you guys live in Toronto or live in the city, of any city, you probably noticed there's probably a lot more electric cars and Teslas. They are getting pretty cheap now. Also, if you guys check out some of the links in the description, it'll help out the channel. So be sure to like and subscribe, and just yeah, comment down what you think of the drive. And we are just cruising on the highway, very smooth. I am not complaining. Obviously, if you guys want to go a little faster, you could be in standard mode, you could be in mad or hurry mode. Some of the new cars have like a different mode. It's called Mad Max apparently. These older Teslas don't have those modes, but it only has chill, standard, and hurry, and I feel like that's enough. Getting over to this right lane, puts this signal on early and just makes the turn, or makes the switch very well. And then our exit ramp is right here. Slowly get off the highway. And we're slowing down, and it's very smooth. It's keeping a good distance from the car in front of us. And now we're getting into the right lane to make a turn here on this street. In the last video, the right turn was kind of dangerous, so right now we have a green, so we should be fine. Light turns yellow and we make the right. Now we get up to street speed, 60 kilometers an hour. And it recognizes the red light over here, so it's gonna slow down. And it slows down very smoothly, which is really nice. And now, while you wait at the intersection, you're able to see what the screen, what the car sees. And you just see all the cars going through the intersection, which is really cool to see, you know, how advanced this kind of car is. A lot of you guys in the comments were saying some of the Chinese cars could do this, and it's even better than Tesla. The only car that I've ever seen do this is Tesla, and the only car I've owned is this one. Well, the only EV I've owned is this one. None of my gas cars have anything like this. So it's really cool to me, but you know, some of the Chinese cars might make some kind of sense for you guys. So you would have to figure out if those cars are better for you. I totally want to try those cars out. Hopefully, it creates a lot of competition for Tesla to improve. And there's a Model S. I think that's a Plaid. That's so nice. It's such a shame that the Model S and Model X are, you know, they stopped production, which sucks. It's getting really misty, so the car has to wipe. The auto wipers are nice. Sometimes they wipe randomly, like even when it's not raining, they wipe for some reason. Like, so I've had them do it like like more than I would like sometimes, or it would just come on sometimes. But I feel like, you know, that gets better over time with the updates. And we were just cruising smoothly. Everybody's getting a little mad at me. We were going, you know, just around the speed limit. Most people at this time go way above the speed limit. You know, they're trying to get to work. It's early in the morning. Yeah, so I don't blame them, you know. I just have my settings on chill. I have the speed offset set pretty low, so it's not going to speed. So I understand if they want to overtake me. And yeah, we're just smoothly going down the street, staying centered, keeping a really good gap from the car in front of us. And I have zero complaints. This is really smooth. If you guys commute a lot in the morning and you guys just want something to, you know, make your drive a little less stressful, FSD could really help. It's really nice waking up to a full charge and just being able to be driven to work by your car. And we are getting to the left lane here. Yeah, everybody's in a rush this morning, but I guess that's every morning, you know. Nobody likes the mornings. Everybody just wants to stay in bed, you know. But we gotta stay safe, guys, you know. No matter what time, we're all trying to get somewhere. We don't want nothing dangerous to happen and ruin our whole day. So even with a system like FSD, you know, you still gotta be really safe about it. Intervene whenever you see anything going wrong. And like, don't go on your phone or don't fall asleep or something. Coming downhill, get this nice regen right here. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I post videos like this one all the time. Check out some of the links in the description. Check out some of the playlists. I post literally every day. And comment down below what you guys think, what you guys want to see, and what you guys know. Like, what's your experience with FSD personally? And it takes this turn very well. Good clearance. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.